Ano pang meron? So, let's see. Four of Wands, no? So, for some of you, maybe, sabihin natin merong nag-propose, no, for some of you, or may magpo-propose din for some of you ng kasal, of course, or maybe for some of you, sabihin natin sinusuyo ka pa nito, no, na kasi may nagawa siyang kasalanan sa iyo, no, so binibigyan ka pa ng mga bulaklak, something like that, literally, right, no? So for some of you, maybe kasal din kayo ng person na ito, right, no, whoever it is na nagkaroon ng separation or nagkaroon ng betrayal, cheating sa relationship, right? For some of you for some of you naman, meron din dito na magpo-propose ng kasal for some of you, or for some of you naman, meron ding new love coming na maybe ay nag-uumpisa ng mag-express ng kanilang sarili, ng kanilang feelings. For some of you, may mga nanliligaw na din. You, mga earth signs natin, right? No, for some of you. So what else? So with the temperance, no, so yeah, for some of you talaga nagkaroon ng matinding pasensya na lang, no, for some of you, para lang wala ng gulo, no, something like that, no. Matagal kayong nagpasensya, matagal kayong nagtimpi, matagal kayong nanahimik, no, for some of you. Kaya but then napuno na kayo, that's why you stand up for yourself, no, for some of you, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rin ito, no, mga earth signs na medyo matagal nang nangyayari, or paulit-ulit na nangyayari yung mga panloloko ng tao na ito, right, no? At matagal kayong nanahimik, nagpasensya sa tao na ito, no? But then napuno na kayo, no, for some of you, no? Talagang kaya kayo na yung talagang nag-decide na rin kayo, for some of you, para ay umalis na rin sa connection or relationship na na talagang hiwalayan na nangyari for some of you, right? No, so let's see, kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you, earth sign. Your love situation, kuha pa tayo, tignan natin ano pang meron. So let's see. So, please accept my true love for you. So, yan, no, for some of you talaga, meron ding new love talaga na paparating, or merong mga